Well, we are in the middle of making some hot and spicy pickles, and this is the Refrigeratorr recipe, and it calls for your cucumbers. It says pickling cucumbers, but mine are bigger. They're out of the garden. So what we did is we went ahead and we cut up all of our ingredients. Look at that, doesn't that look nice? That's the dill out of my garden that I grew. We put some bay leaves in there, some peppercorn, some fresh garlic, and this is done in white vinegar with some sugar and some pickling salt. And I'll link the recipe down in the description box. You want to make sure that you sterilize your lids and your jars. I've got 4 jars I'm going to use. I've got them in the oven sterilizing on 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And then I'm blowing the lids here for about 20 minutes. Okra's floating. I have to push it down. All right, well, we got them all done, and we had to actually make 2 batches. The recipe calls for pint-sized jars, and these are quart-sized, so we had to double the recipe. And well, once you get your jars packed and have the liquid mixture put in there, you need to let them cool down and then put them in the refrigerator and set for 24 hours, and then you can start to eat them. But they should last for longer than a month or longer. So I'm really anxious to see how the pickled okra turned out. So bon appetit, guys.